Welcome to the enigmatic world of Venus, a planet whose rotation is a cosmic anomaly, spinning in a direction opposite to that of most planets. Isn't it curious to think, why would Venus choose to dance to its own tune in the grand waltz of the solar system? Venus, unlike our home planet Earth that pirouettes counterclockwise on its axis, chooses to twirl in a clockwise fashion. This peculiar rotation, a trait so unique, has left scientists scratching their heads for years, spawning a multitude of theories and hypotheses. Some scientists theorize that a catastrophic event was the game-changer. Imagine a celestial body of gigantic proportions colliding with Venus, causing it to flip its rotation direction entirely. A cosmic accident of such magnitude could indeed have set Venus on its unique path. Others propose a different explanation. They believe that over billions of years, Venus's rotation may have been gradually altered due to gravitational interactions with other celestial bodies. A slow dance indeed, but one that has led Venus to its current state. And yet, another school of thought suggests that Venus's thick, swirling atmosphere and its intense atmospheric circulation might be the key players in its unique rotation. The dense curtain of gases that envelops Venus could be dictating the planet's peculiar spin. Comparing Venus to Earth opens up a window into the stark differences between our neighboring planets. While the rotation of Earth plays a significant role in our climate and weather patterns, the rotation of Venus contributes to its extreme atmospheric conditions. This study of Venus's rotation doesn't just satisfy our curiosity, it also provides valuable insights into planetary formation and evolution. As we continue to understand these cosmic phenomena better, we are also inching closer to understanding our place in the universe. The future holds exciting prospects for the study of Venus's rotation. Proposed missions like NASA's Veritas aim to delve deeper into the mysteries shrouding Venus's rotation and geological history. The secrets that Venus holds may well be the keys to understanding the cosmos. As our journey through the cosmos draws to a close, we leave with a deeper understanding of Venus's unique rotation. It serves as a reminder of the complexity and diversity of our solar system. So, stay curious and continue to join us on this cosmic journey as we explore the wonders and mysteries of the universe.